Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Division.
What does the dictionary say?
The operation inverse to multiplication. The finding of a quantity, the quotient, that when multiplied by a given quantity, the divisor, gives another given quantity, the dividend. The process of ascertaining how many times one number or quantity is C.
Math rap.
My thoughts are split in two. Divide a number into separate groups, but division comes with this disclaimer. Sometimes it's messy and has a remainder.
Math rap.
What hurts your eyes the most when staring at a math question? Definitely division. Define division in your own words. Any remainder of thoughts in your head? List times where you have to use division in everyday life. Use division to separate the 24 hours of a day into fun, eating, sleeping, and schoolwork. What division has the most hours in it for you? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!